In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever come across a useful post on LinkedIn and saved it to read later, this is where you can find it again. LinkedIn keeps your saved content organized in one place, so it's easy to go back to important posts, articles, or updates whenever you need them. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main page. From the top of the screen, click Home. This will take you to your main LinkedIn feed where you normally see posts from your network, companies, and people you follow. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand pane. Underneath your profile area, you'll see several options related to your account and activity. Here, click Saved Items. This section is where LinkedIn stores content you've chosen to save for later, which can be helpful if you want to revisit professional insights, job-related content, or articles you didn't have time to read the first time. After that, go to the Save Posts and Articles section. In this area, LinkedIn will show you all of the posts and articles you've saved. You can scroll through the list and open anything you want to review again. This is especially useful if you're collecting ideas, keeping track of industry updates, or saving content you want to engage with later. If you don't immediately see a post you were expecting, give the page a moment to load and then scroll through carefully, since older saved content may appear farther down the list. Also, make sure you're in the correct saved section, because LinkedIn may group different types of saved content separately, and that's all. That's how to check your saved posts on LinkedIn. Once you know where the saved items area is, it becomes very quick and easy to return to anything you've bookmarked before.